Today's AYANA GOHAN is cake sale. I made it for the first time before and I was addicted to its deliciousness. This time, the appearance of the cake is important, so I check the recipe carefully. First, I prepare flour and baking powder. Sift twice to avoid being clumps. I place a parchment paper on the pound cake mold. So cut along the line. Let's cut ingredients. For the asparagus, peel the hard part of it with a peeler to improve the texture. And cut them in half. These are ingredients for the cake. Boil before baking in a cake. Add some salt and put them. Next, mix all ingredients in a bowl. I put egg, milk, salad oil, Parmesan cheese, sugar and salt. Finally, add flour and baking powder. Mix the flour in half to make it easier to mix. At this time, I was worried because the dough was hard. Divide the dough into 3 parts and line up the vegetables in between. First, asparagus and bell pepper. Spread half of the remaining dough. Next, quail egg and broccoli. It looks good. Spread the last dough. 12 minutes in a preheated oven. After that, add asparagus and tomatoes. The dough is harder than I expected, so I should have shortened the time. To prevent drying, I brush the salad oil on the top of vegetables. The cake shell was baked. Remove the cake from the mold and leave it as it is for a while. And I wrap it with plastic wrap while it's warm to make it moist. After several hours, maybe I will enjoy cutting cake. The cake has cooled, so I can cut it. The cut section is good. I was looking forward to this time, so I'm happy about that.